crazy chef here. Head's cut off so you can see the food. I'm going to do scrambled eggs the proper way today. Now this is a midday scrambled eggs, so I'm not doing scrambled eggs on toast. I'm just having scrambled eggs, and I'll do a little bit of toast in a minute. Right, first of all I thought of having some mushroom, a couple of mushrooms and some vine tomatoes, so I'm just going to put those on to start with very low. Let that cook away while I do the eggs. Okay. Go on. Okay. Right, we're having tomatoes on the vine, a few mushrooms. You could have a large cut mushroom if you like, but I've just happened to have ordinary regular mushrooms. Okay, that's coming on. Come on a bit. Right, I've prepared the eggs. I've pre-done the eggs. Now, important to note, I've got 3 eggs in here and a knob of butter. I've not whisked the eggs. You do not whisk the eggs because you destroy the eggs if you whisk them prematurely. So we just fold them in the saucepan. Right, I'll just turn the gas up, turn the wick up. While I'm turning the wick up, I've got some chives here. I've also got some chives to put in the eggs. I usually like chives, and I've cheated. I've not chopped it up fancy like a real chef. I've cut it up with scissors. Right, okay. And while we're waiting for the heat to come on, the snifter of today is a thirsty ferret. A bit of thirsty ferret from my favourite store starting with a W. Okay. I'm going to use groundnut oil. I always prefer to use groundnut oil unless I'm doing salmon because it doesn't taste. Right, let's get this warmed up a bit. Right, I'm going to put the eggs in and a knob of butter like that. Get rid of that. I'm going to gradually stir it. Not quite hot enough yet. Let's get the back bit up. Get that up. Let's get a bit slow. I'm going to stir it. They're really just like I would stir a risotto, although some Italian chefs don't actually stir the risotto. They put something like an onion in it and let it evaporate. But I stir risottos, and I'm stirring my scrambled egg, just like keep it stirring like a risotto now. Because the saucepan takes the heat, I stir it and I take it off the heat. A little bit, just warm the plate up. I take it off the heat, so what's going on here? I take it off the heat. Put it back on the heat. This ensures that it doesn't overcook or stick. I might do this video again on the head in the picture, but I'm sure you want to look at the cooking, not the head. Right, that's still not. They're still coming along now. Look, it's coming along. It's not sticking. Coming along nicely. Right. The bread today, I would probably use a bit of stale bread, sourdough or something like that, but I'm using Grand Rustique, because that's just happening what I've got. So I'll stick it in the toaster, it just about goes down. I'm doing this live without stopping the video so you can see how long it takes. And it's all done on first take. We don't need to do multiple takes. It's all done on one take. The only trouble is I have to eat it. Makes one a bit tubby. Because one has to, all chefs get a bit tubby, or a lot of them do, because they have to eat it and it can taste everything. Right, there we go, coming on. Still keep it stirring, don't let it stick, keep it stirring just like a risotto. Really coming out. I'm going to stick the chives in now. That's really coming along now. Still stirring, like the old risotto, on the heat, off the heat, on the heat, off the heat. Now that's done, so let it cool down a bit. I'm now going to put some creme fraiche in, half fat creme fraiche. It makes me, I'm too fat. Okay, let's put some creme fraiche in, bit of creme fraiche, and it makes it a bit creamier and it cools it down a bit. Right, a bit of pepper, ground black pepper, just a nats of salt. You can see it's only one take, can't you? A nice bit of toast there, if you want it. Put all that. Right, here we are, I'll show it to you in a second. Only a bit of scrambled egg. Scrambled egg with chives, salt and pepper. Turn that off. Tomatoes on the vine, more expensive but taste nice. Some mushrooms. And this is a midday snack, that's why I have my drink, because I'll never drink for breakfast. Not till the sun's over the yard arm. So there we are. We have scrambled egg done the correct way, bit of toast, this is Grand Rustique, some tomatoes on the vine and some mushrooms. And as one of my favourite chefs would say, done.